Extreme violence that is going on in Gaza. People are starving to death. They are being forced to starve. And I want to raise the conscience because it's an Independence Day of our country. If masses of Israel are innocent, then masses of Gaza are also innocent. They deserve to live with freedom and dignity. They cannot be condemned to death for the follies that they have not committed. How can you do that? If I am a human being, I must feel concerned about them. I may not be able to go there to help them out, but certainly by feeling for them, I will develop better sensitivity and better understanding of world problems. So that's why I'm fasting here. I want people of this country to remove prejudices there from heads and feel the agony of suffering masses of Gaza. Independence is incomplete unless we awaken the feeling for independence of others, the most oppressed ones. So that's why I'm distributing flyers, observing fast today, and talking to people.